Today I want to introduce you to the ROM machine, which stands for range of motion. This is one of the most unique pieces of exercise equipment I've ever used because it is not a treadmill, it is not a regular bike, and it is not just a rowing machine. The ROM is designed to create a short, intense, full-body workout that combines strength, cardio, mobility, coordination, and range of motion all at the same time. At the beginning, you can see that I actually have to use my whole body just to get the machine started. This is not passive movement. The machine is not doing the work for me. To get it moving, I have to press my legs firmly into the stationary foot support, engage my quadriceps and hamstrings, connect through my core, and then pull through my arms, shoulders, and back. You may even notice that I come slightly off the seat because my whole body has to create enough force to initiate the movement. Once the machine is moving, the effort continues through the entire body. My legs are not just sitting there. With every push and pull, my quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves are activating. My core has to stabilize, and my upper body has to coordinate with the movement. It has a rowing-like quality, but it is much more full-body intensive than a traditional rower. A rower is a great machine, but the ROM asks for a larger range of motion and a more integrated effort from the entire body. A little bit of history. The ROM machine was originally created by John Pitre, pronounced Pitre. He was an artist, inventor, and fitness equipment designer. The machine was originally called the time machine because the idea was to create a highly efficient workout in a very short amount of time. And that is what made this machine so revolutionary and innovative. It challenged the idea that we always have to work longer to get a better workout. This is not about spending an hour doing one repetitive movement. It is about using more of the body at once, moving through a fuller range of motion, and creating a more efficient workout in less time. To me, this is the definition of working smarter, not just harder. The ROM was always considered a premium machine. Some early reports listed it around $10,000, but I do not want people to think that was the normal easy buy price for everyone. Over time, pricing was often much higher, commonly around $14,000 to $15,000, and depending on the year, seller, shipping, taxes, delivery, and setup, some people remember seeing prices closer to $18,000. Today, most people looking for one are more likely to find one used, refurbished, or remanufactured. Another thing I really like about the ROM is that it gives you performance feedback. The machine guides you toward your goal in percentages, so you can see whether you are hitting 90% of your goal, 95%, 100%, or even over 100%. When I first started using it, I was usually around 93% of my goal. Now I am often reaching 98 to 100%, and sometimes even over 100%. That feedback is motivating because it gives you something specific to work toward. You are not just moving for 4 minutes. You are improving your output, your effort, your coordination, and your capacity. The ROM is known for the idea of a 4-minute workout, but 4 minutes does not mean easy. It gets the heart rate up, activates the legs, arms, back, shoulders, and core, and challenges the body through a large range of motion. It can support strength, cardio, flexibility, posture, coordination, and overall body awareness. The recommendation is often to alternate sides or focus areas, front side one day and back side the following day, so the body has time to recover. For me, this is one of the first things I do in the morning. I usually do it on an empty stomach, but I do try to hydrate first because even though it is short, it demands a lot from the body. The ROM machine is not magic, but it is an incredibly innovative way to move more of the body in less time with more intention.